Hey kids, welcome back to the channel. In today's art lesson, we are going to explore two simple yet powerful elements of art, which is dots and lines. Let's get started. Now, you might think, dots and lines are basic. But trust me, they are the foundation of a lot of great art. Have you ever looked at a painting in an art gallery or at your school art exhibition and wondered how the artist created such a wonderful piece of art? Do you want to create one? Let's go. So everything starts with a dot. You are right, a dot. Dots can be big or small, dots can be in a line, they can be together, also they can be far apart. When you make one little dot, it's pretty simple, but when you start to place a bunch of them together, magic happens. See how these dots are close together. When they are grouped, they form a solid shape or texture. Next, we have lines. Lines are more than just boundaries. They are powerful tools in art. A line is a path or mark on a page. Lines can help move our eyes around an artwork. There are different types of lines. Kids, a line can be thick or thin, straight or curved, continuous or broken. Did you know we can use different types of lines in our artwork to show our happy face, sad or angry face? Yeah? Just try and see. Lines can also combine with dots to form an incredible textures and patterns in artwork. When you use both elements together, your artwork can really come alive. Let's break down the different types of lines you can use to express yourself in your artwork. First up, straight lines. These lines that don't bend. They can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Straight lines are great for creating structure and strength. For example, look here. When drawing buildings, straight lines help create strong, structured look for buildings. Next, we have curved lines. These lines that bend smoothly. Curved lines have softer movement and they are often used to represent natural forms. For example, look here, when drawing a flower or a river or a human body, curved lines have an organic flowing feel to them. Moving on, let's talk about zigzag lines. These lines are sharp lines that change direction suddenly. I hope when we draw, have you seen when we draw the mountain range, we use zigzag lines. There are also many other different types of lines such as castle lines, spiral lines, wavy lines, and so on. If you take, for example, we can use wavy and spiral lines for drawing hair, right? Yes? And castle lines for drawing a castle or a block. Yeah. Now we will move on to the activity time. For today's challenge, I want you to try designing this Eggman sweater using dots and at least 3 different types of lines. Get creative and experiment with how they can work together. Parents, remember, be sure to share your kids' artwork with me by tagging Elementaryhall on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for getting notification of more art and elementary lessons. Kids, keep creating and have fun with those dots and lines. Bye bye. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.